How do you pronounce this word? The word is pronounced. Columbus's expeditions inaugurated a period of exploration, conquest, and colonization that lasted for centuries, thus bringing the Americas into the European sphere of influence. The transfer of commodities, ideas, and people between the Old World and New World that followed his first voyage are known as the Columbian Exchange. These events and the effects which persist to the present are often cited as the beginning of the modern era. Columbus was widely celebrated in the centuries after his death. The public perception fractured in the 21st century due to the greater attention to harms committed under his governance, particularly the beginning of the depopulation of Hispaniola's indigenous Taínos caused by the Old World diseases and mistreatment, including slavery. Many places in the Western Hemisphere bear his name, including Colombia, British Columbia, the District of Columbia, and Columbus, Ohio. Only in Ohio. Just kidding, that's not funny. Thanks for watching this video. To learn how to pronounce this word, please comment down any words you want me to pronounce.